It's long-term what?
Okay, let's get started. Today I'm reviewing Mutual of Omaha MutualCare, a traditional long-term care insurance policy. I'll walk through the pros and cons of the policy, where it stands out, and who it may be best for. But before we dive in, this was recorded in 2026, and policies get updates every few years, so be sure to check the link in the description for any changes. You'll also find star ratings for how MutualCare compares across benefits, premiums, underwriting, and company strength. First, let's talk about standard benefits that come with traditional policies. Benefits can start when you need help with two basic activities like dressing or bathing, or if you have cognitive impairment like Alzheimer's. From there, you're covered for care at home, in assisted living, in memory care, or in a nursing home. You can add inflation protection so your benefits grow to keep up with rising care costs. Uncle Sam offers multiple tax advantages for long-term care insurance, especially for traditional policies. Traditional policies can offer great value, but they also come with some trade-offs. When you qualify for care, you submit receipts via reimbursement. Care must be provided by a licensed professional, so these policies are a little less flexible than the hybrid policies that pay benefits in cash. With traditional long-term care insurance, your monthly or annual premiums can increase over time, and historically, Mutual of Omaha has had multiple rate increases on older policies. These traditional policies are sometimes called pure insurance because they're simple. There's no life insurance like hybrid policies. They work more like your auto or homeowner's insurance. You just pay premiums and the policy reimburses you if you need care. And many people appreciate that simplicity. Now let's look at what makes MutualCare stand out. Mutual of Omaha is a very well-known insurance brand. Part of that recognition comes from its long-running sponsorship of the wildlife series Wild Kingdom, which began in 1963. MutualCare comes in two different versions. The first is more simple. It's called the Secure Solution. It's a little like flying a plane with one big button. It's simple. The second version, called Custom Solution, offers so many options that it can feel like flying a spaceship.
With over 2.5 million moving parts, this is the most complex flying machine that mankind has ever created.
Inflation protection buy-up option, shared care, security benefit, joint waiver of premium, survivorship benefit, reduced benefit for home health care, waiver of elimination period for home health care, professional home health care. It's like being handed a restaurant menu where you have to build your own meal. The waiter asks you, "Tonight on our menu we have 514 ingredients." With that said, if you want very specific customization, this policy can do it. Want inflation protection at 2.25% instead of 3%? You can do it. One feature worth highlighting is shared care. For an additional cost, two partners with matching policies can share benefits with each other. If one person exhausts their policy, they can continue drawing from the other person's remaining benefits. That added flexibility can be especially helpful if one partner needs care for much longer than expected. So here's my big picture opinion on the policy. This can be a strong fit if you want a traditional policy with a lot of benefits for the dollar, especially if you already know and trust the Mutual of Omaha brand. The shared care rider adds valuable flexibility for couples, and in some situations, underwriting can be more flexible than competing policies. And at some ages, MutualCare can also be very competitive on benefits. Just weigh that against the possibility of future premium increases and the fact that benefits are paid through reimbursement instead of cash. That said, MutualCare won't be the best fit for everyone, and at Long Term What, we compare policies from all the top insurers and help people find one that fits their goals, budget, and health situation best. I'm Jesse, and this is Long Term What? If this helped, share it with someone who needs it, like it so more people see it, and subscribe for more unboring long-term care tips. To request quotes or to learn more, visit longtermwhat.com or see the links in the description. Thanks.